Hello learner, welcome you all for the third part of OER licensing session. In this session, we will discuss application of open licenses in different types of OER resources specifically and other created digital artifacts generally. Let's move to our second slide on how to attribute CC license work. As we did discuss theoretically, CC licenses will be considered as open license. For the purpose of attribution, we'll use CC licenses along with other open license in OER resources. You can see 4 criteria such as title, author, source, licenses need to be attributed while referring others' work. Title refers copy of the title of the work to be adopted. Author means copy of the author's name and web page link if available. Source means hyperlink the title to original source, means you have to hyperlink the original source where you are taken that resource. License means you will be going to the Creative Commons license organization and then you will be creating CC licenses for your work. Then you will give that CC license name and hyperlink the CC license deed page. In this slide, you can see this slide for demonstration how you do attribution work for different types of resources. Here I have taken example of web resources in which it mentioned the process like title, author, source and licenses. At the end, you will be doing like in a final attribution will be presented in this paragraph form in which I have mentioned best practices for attribution. It means this is the title. It's showing the title by Creative Commons, means Creative Commons where you created the license or generated the license like CC by 40 attribution, and this means the license CC by 40 you have referred in this paragraph. Then generated using Open Attribution Builder, means this is the source or organization like Open Washington SBCTC and who is giving that platform to create that license. It means source. So these are the source you have taken, created the license or taken the idea for your resource. One thing I want to mention here also, if you click on this source link, it will take you to that domain where you have taken the resource for your work, like web practices for attribution. Here you can see this is the web source and here I have the link provided the web source. I have put it in the slide form in my presentation. So this way you can give the hyperlink to your resource. In this next slide you can see like you have taken web resources. Here I have taken another example like image resources. Likewise you would do title, author, source and licenses for your raw work. Then you have to mention the final attribution in a paragraph form, like here I have mentioned attribution means WOC in take. This is the title of that resource by Stephen and Christiana Morillo. This is the author who have created this image and is licensed under CC0 public domain license. Means the license you have they have generated for the work, that is CC license public domain, means there is no copyright claim and everyone can use this resource. This slide basically will discuss on how to generate open licenses or different CC licenses for our work, or if you are taking some others work, so how you will be referred to that will do by doing some practical demonstration. Here you can see the organization providing license, that is Creative Commons organization, and this is the web platform who is providing all the CC licenses. So when here I have given the link to going to that platform. So if I am clicking this link, so here it will take to the platform. Like these are the some basic instruction before generating some OER licenses. You have to fill that instruction. First thing is it will ask you, do you know which license you need? Means it wants to understand your perception, like you have you do you know the licensing you will be using for your work or not. If you putting the option, if you are the beginner, you do not know how to generate the license, so first thing is you will putting the option no. I think after this clicking this option, it will ask some sort of questions like attribution, what is attribution, then you will be giving yes or no, what is commercial use, what is derivative works, what is sharing requirements. Like these are the things, the dimensions we discussed in the last part 2 of OER licensing, like how to attribute, what is the meaning of attribute, what is the meaning of commercial use, derivative work. You refer to that also if you are a beginner. So first thing is when you choose the option no, then what things you need to consider. You only give attribution to your work, like if you see the attribution yes button, then if you don't want to use your work commercially, then you should claim no. Then if you don't want to, if you want to your work for use by others, translate the others, adapt others, so you just put yes. So these are the option. If you want to share your work or not, then you just putting here yes or no option. Then it will give some it will ask some confirm your licensing criteria that you will be going to use for your work. These are the I own or have authority to license the work. I have read and understand the some terms and conditions you need to fulfill. Then you click on this work. Then you can see it will generate your licensing work. Okay, like CC by NC 4.0 you are going to use as per your filling the instruction. Means Creative Commons attribution non-commercial you are going to use. Means what is the meaning of this license? This license requires that the user who will use your work give credit to the creator, give credit to you. It allows the user to distribute, remix, adapt and build upon the material in any medium or format, like image, video, text, audio, whatever format you will be you are creating, the others can redistribute, remix, adapt, build, and for not, but they can't use your work commercial purposes. only non-commercial purposes they can use. So here you are giving by attribution, they will give credit to you only, but with non-commercial. So you will be in this way you can copy this link. You can copy this link and you will be putting into your work. Okay, now you can see your work is under Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial Licenses. So in this way you will be generating your licenses link for your work. Okay, likewise if you give the option yes, then the website will understand what the license you are going to use. So you only choose the licensing option CC by 40. So then it will automatically create the licensing information for you. So these are the practically you will be doing or generating your CC license work. Okay, this is the all about how to generate CC license, and before that how to refer different process like title, author, source, license to generate open licenses for your work. Thank you.